Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 8, Subject Hindi, Lesson 6, Topic Hamara Jhanda, our flag. So, we have gone through this chapter in the last session itself, children. I hope you all understood the chapter and have gone through the chapter. For this session, we are going to have the question answers and other book back exercises. Before moving on to the exercises, we will just have a glance of the lesson. We'll just recall it. So, this is the lesson about a national flag. Each and every country has its own national flag, and as much as for India, we are not using flags today or yesterday. We are using it from a long back. During the time of Mahabharat war, at that time also we have used flag. In the chariot of Arjun, there was a flag with a symbol of Lord Hanuman on it. After that also, Bhagwan Lord Krishna, he is also called as Garudadhwaj. Garud means it is a bird and Dhwaj means flag. Maharana Pratap also used flag, and he had a symbol of lion on his flag. Like this, each and every king had their own flags with some or other symbols on it which resemble the kingdom or which resemble that king. Okay children, so for India now, what flag we are having is also known as Tiranga, tricolor flag. We will call it as Tiranga, Tiranga Jhanda. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga Jhanda. The flag of our country was designed by Pingali Venkaya of Andhra Pradesh. First time this flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya of Andhra Pradesh. In this there are three colors, that is saffron, white and green. There are three colors in this national flag, that is saffron, white and green. White color is in the center, children. Here saffron color denotes courage and sacrifice. So saffron color represents courage and sacrifice, while the white color which is at the center represents truth and purity, while the green color which is at the end, it represents faith, fertility and growth. In between this, there is a place for charkha, the spinning wheel. In 1921, Gandhiji has given this as national flag for India. On 15th August 1947, when we got independence, that day first Prime Minister, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted our national flag on Red Fort. But after independence, there was a small change made in this national flag, which was in place of the spinning wheel. He changed it into the Ashoka Chakra, the wheel which we are having now in our national flag. It is known as Ashoka Chakra, which has 24 spokes. It denotes the courageous king Ashoka. He was a very courageous king in India, and the Ashoka Chakra was taken in remembrance of him. We should respect our national flag, and we have to take care of our national flag. This is what we learned in the last session all about national flag, children. Now we are moving to our exercise part. The first Roman which is given for you is word meanings. Here it is given for you, children. You can see in the clippings. Just go through the word meanings. We'll move on to the second Roman, that is answer the following questions. First question. झंडा किसका प्रतीक है? What does a flag denotes? झंडा किसका प्रतीक है? The answer is झंडा राष्ट्र के गौरव का प्रतीक है. A flag denotes the pride of a country. झंडा राष्ट्र के गौरव का प्रतीक है. The flag denotes the pride of a country. So, we'll move on to the second question, children. हमारे राष्ट्रीय झंडे में कितने रंग हैं? How many colors are there in our national flag? The answer is हमारे राष्ट्रीय झंडे में 3 रंग हैं. There are 3 colors in our national flag. Now we'll move on to the third question, children. हरा रंग किसका प्रतीक है? What does the green color symbolify? हरा रंग किसका प्रतीक है? आंसर हरा रंग सुख संपत्ति का प्रतीक है. The green color represents courage and sacrifice. The green color represents courage and sacrifice. हरा रंग सुख संपत्ति का प्रतीक है. Fourth question, children. भारत कब स्वतंत्र हुआ? When did India got its independence? भारत कब स्वतंत्र हुआ? आंसर इज भारत 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को स्वतंत्र हुआ. इंडिया गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस ऑन 15th August 1947. भारत 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को स्वतंत्र हुआ. So with this our question answers gets over, children. There are 4 question answers in this lesson and all the 4 question answers gets over with this. Now we'll move on to the third Roman, that is fill in the blanks. First one, हर एक राष्ट्र का अपना एक डैश होता है. The answer is झंडा. हर एक राष्ट्र का अपना एक झंडा होता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, भारत का राष्ट्रीय झंडा डैश है. द आंसर इज तिरंगा. भारत का राष्ट्रीय झंडा तिरंगा है. थर्ड वन, चिल्ड्रन, केसरिया रंग डैश का, सफ़ेद रंग डैश का और डैश रंग सुख संपत्ति का सूचक है. द फर्स्ट आंसर इज त्याग. द सेकेंड डैश गिव्स यू शांति and the third dash has hara in it. So the sentence goes like, केसरिया रंग त्याग का, सफ़ेद रंग शांति का और हरा रंग सुख संपत्ति का सूचक है. फोर्थ वन, चिल्ड्रन, हमें अपने झंडे का आदर करना चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट हमें कम्स अंडर द डैश. हमें अपने झंडे का आदर करना चाहिए. फिफ्थ वन, चिल्ड्रन, अशोक भारतवर्ष के एक बड़े सम्राट थे. द आंसर हियर इज सम्राट. इट्स गिवन इन रेड कलर. यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई इट, चिल्ड्रन. अशोक भारतवर्ष के एक बड़े सम्राट थे. सो विद दिस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स गेट ओवर. नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट वन, झंडा राष्ट्र के गौरव का प्रतीक है. अ फ्लैग डिनोट्स द प्राइड ऑफ any country. The answer is right. Second one, भारत में पहले झंडे का प्रचार नहीं था. In India we never used flag before this. Is it right, children? No, we had flag from the time of Mahabharat war itself, right, children? So the sentence given over here is false. Third one, महाराणा प्रताप के झंडे पर सिंह का चित्र है. द फ्लैग ऑफ महाराणा प्रताप वी हैव अ सिंबल ऑफ लायन. इज इट राइट, चिल्ड्रन? यस, द आंसर इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट वन, तिरंगे झंडे का नमूना नेहरू जी ने प्रस्तुत किया. आवर नेशनल फ्लैग वॉज डिजाइंड बाय नेहरू जी. इज इट राइट, चिल्ड्रन? No, it's false. It is designed by Pingali Venkayya. Next question children, fifth one. सफ़ेद रंग शांति का प्रतीक है. White color denotes peace in our national flag. Is it false or true children? Yes, it's true. Sixth one children. भारत 26 जनवरी को स्वतंत्र हुआ. India got its independence on 26 January. Is it correct children? No, it's false. India got independence on 15th August 1947. Okay children, so with this your exercises gets over. Please go through all the exercises, learn everything and write it in your classwork notebooks. For next lesson, we'll meet in the next session children. Thank you.